26 here, just repairs and hobbies. And we've got a bus here to put together. And this is a corn bake bus. Put a little glue there, there, there. And we don't want any on the inside. So let's wipe that out. And this part goes on top, like that. This part right here, you don't want to glue at all, okay? But these parts here go on the side, and they snap on like that. Like that. Some of them snap on. I don't know, let's see. Push them on like that. There's going to be glue in there anyway, so put a little glue here and a little glue here. Push that on like that. Like that. Okay. Push from the other side. Okay, and we got these hubs here. So we're going to put the hubs on. There. There. Stick those in there like that. Doesn't take a lot of glue. Takes some. And we've got this emblem we got to put on the front. Put a little glue here. This is the VW emblem. Goes in there like that. Try to get it straight. Like that. And we got some lights. Right there, right there. Lights go on, pink lights. It's kind of off colors because of the filament. And we've got some in the back, some lights, which are green lights, which is not bad, you know, towards the color. I hope all of you are doing well today. You know, I hope so. Okay, and we got some windows. This is the back window. Back window goes in. We got all these other windows here. Get them all on there. It doesn't go there. That's the front windshield. I do believe this is the side. don't know, guys. I don't know. Oh, the glue got stuffed up. There we go. Here's the front. That. Go to the front. And that one in. That one in. So, go to the side. And yeah, we're missing one window. I don't know where it went to. But it's a hippie bus, so what can you do, you know? That. And we got these bumpers here. And the bumpers go on in the front like this. I really like them. See how they go. Go down here. They go to the very bottom. Go right here, I guess. They surely don't go up there. Okay. So I'm going to put a little glue here. This is well done glue. Should know what I use for glues. Put that right there. Like that. Let's go to the back of the bus. And that fell off, and that fell off. Oh, this is the back of the bus, guys. That's why. That goes there. And this goes in the front. Like that. Let's put the windows back in. The windows don't want to stay in. Still don't want to stay in. Kind of warm in here, that's why, I guess. The glue is drying up super quick. Okay, so there she is. And then this goes on top. Like I said, don't glue the top. You just drop it on there like that. You get your corn bank. There it is. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. God bless you. Please rate, subscribe, and hype the video. And give a thumbs up. And share the video. Put your coins in there, and you have your own little coin bank or a van. I got to print out another one of these, I think. Bye for now.